Hello there, I'm Lauren with Bold Notion Quilting, and I wanted to show you a quick demo on using a ruler and stencil combined. So you can see this cool stencil motif that we have here. This is the Take Aim stencil collection. It's a 6-inch block divider. You can find these on boldnotionquilting.com. This is a Gina Perks designed stencil, and we sell them on the site. And then this is a Gina Perks ruler that we sell on boldnotionquilting.com, and this is the Elizabeth small stencil. We also have the larger ones. So for your machines, these only fit across your machine with a 1/4 inch opening. What this means is that for a machine like mine on an APQS and a lot of other long arm machines, when the needle is down, so let's get our needle down, okay, it won't come in and out, okay? Some machines have hopping feet that you can lift, even on your long arm. You can use these for domestic sit-down machines, and you can slide the ruler under to get it in and out, but that is not the case with a lot of long arm machines. Now I am using a metallic thread and I'm testing it out just to see how I like it. So hopefully there are not a lot of thread breakages in this video like there were with the last one. But I'm learning how to use it, so I thought I could do 2 for 1 and try some cool designs with it as well. So I've got my design ruler. I've picked what size block I want to use. Okay, and actually we're going to use a small one because this is a small stencil. There are larger ones. I've ordered them and they're coming. So you want to make sure that you pair your stencil as best you can. Now we're going to see how this stencil fits this little ruler best. So like the tip of it ends right at the edge of our stencil. So we're just going to get the ruler out of the way. Okay, we're going to tack down our threads. And what we're going to do is since that needle is right in the center of that stencil, we're going to line up our stencil where the tip is right at the edge of our line. Okay, we're going to follow that around. Now I recommend getting ruler grips when you use stencils like these because it is so easy to push around, just like I just did, the ruler, not stencil, sorry, the ruler. So you want to make sure that you keep that in line, and now I have to eyeball that that's a 1/4 inch away from everything. Okay, then we're just going to rotate it and put the point on the stencil. I love stencils like these. I was looking to design some of my own to put on the site and sell, and then I found Gina stencils, so no reason in making more if these are great to work with for all of us to get started. So these really can help you make what look like harder, more intricate motifs to do them very easily. And I've seen some people on our Free Motion Quilt Along group on Facebook say, I don't use stencils, especially on customer quilts, because they just take so long. But they give you such a wonderfully finished look that it's definitely worth investing in from time to time, especially when you could just do a simple design like this and it looks so professional and so perfect, like a computer did it. You know, it really can take a lot of your worry about, oh my gosh, I'm going to be putting the same repetitive design in there. What if it doesn't look symmetrical? And this can really take that worry away because it helps with everything being symmetrical. That's where rulers and free motion can really work hand in hand together. Okay, so now I'm going to lift my needle, let y'all kind of see that star design. And what I'm going to do now is put on the bigger one. Hopefully I didn't move my machine too much. That's the only thing that I don't like about rulers like this, is that you have to lift your needle to get them on your machine. Not that it's not doable, because it totally is. Gonna add one more element to it. How fun is that? It's just awesome. And normally my red snappers are hitting, I'm sorry. Normally I would do the bigger ones first and then come in and do the smaller ones, but I wasn't sure what I wanted to do. Oh, you can see my... So definitely invest in ruler grips so it's not moving around like this as much. I didn't put them on here because I literally just took it out of the package. But you can see how perfectly that lines up. Well, you'll see when I'm done. Because I'm lining up these tips with the chalk line. Let's just... pull that thread up. How cool is that? Let's see if I have a rag to get rid of that chalk. So you notice that like chalk can bounce off a lot when you're using it. This is the quilt pounce that I'm using. You can still kind of see it a little bit. When you wash it, it'll all come out. But it's awesome. You use a microfiber cloth with all the little ridges, and that helps to pull a lot of the chalk up and out of the fabric. But you can really see how cool that is. And then if you wanted to take it one step further, you could go in there and add some free motion curls or different things to really enhance the shape. Oh, my red snappers are getting away. Should always cut your thread after the first one. You can see it's very neat. The possibilities are endless. You can go in there and fill some stuff if you wanted to. You do more with your block. You can fill around the outside, but I want to just give you a general idea for how the stencil and ruler pairing worked, how well that worked. So it's very cool. These are neat little stencils, and again, you can get these in the small or in the big on boldnotionquilting.com. Just go to products and they're there. And keep in mind that this is 2 sizes and then the large is 2 sizes, so you could do so much more with all of this. They could overlap, make a cool wreath. There's just so much that can be done, and I'll cover more of that in my online ruler class when that comes out in the winter. So take care and happy quilting. Don't forget to visit boldnotionquilting.com to check out all of the rulers and stencils and fun thread and everything on there. Take care and happy quilting.